Akshat Shrivastava made many allegations against Adani on his video regarding Adani Group's stock prices. Let's find the responses for all those allegations. Allegation 1. Adani is following the Russian oligarchy model to build his business. India is a proud democracy. We are a country of 1.2 billion people, who vote in and out a government on the basis of its performance. We are known as the world's largest constitutional democracy, with people from different religions, cultures and ethnicities forming part of this great nation. But Akshat, who we presume is an Indian citizen, had no shame in comparing India to the one-party authoritarian state, Russia. How can anybody stoop so low? Such is your hatred for the Adani Group, that you are ready to commit even sedition. Over the last 3 decades, successive Indian governments have carried out economic reforms, and have created a robust, open market, competitive economy. But Akshat didn't bat an eyelid in rubbishing all our collective achievement, and compared Adani Group with the Russian oligarchy. His logic is that Adani Group operates into regulated sectors. Then what about Mukesh Ambani Group, and various other corporations which are into mines, minerals and petrochemicals? Why would Akshat not compare the Reliance Group with Russian oligarchs? We leave it to your imagination. Allegation 2. Adani is having strong political support that helps him to get resources, setting the tariffs, winning the contracts. Gautam Adani has built his businesses, bit by bit, in an era of transparent, competitive bidding. When established business groups shied away from investing in infrastructure, Adani took the plunge by setting up a conglomerate focusing on building modern India. He showed immense faith in India's growth potential. Adani has got contracts in auctions for green energy, airports, city gas distribution and transmission lines. Which means cheaper electricity and gas and more revenue to the government. Tell one business group apart from Adani Group, which has done more on creating world-class infrastructure for India. Allegation 3. Lots of international expansion, and lots of foreign investors putting money in Adani Group of companies. Why? Gautam Adani has committed to invest $70 billion to create the world's largest clean energy ecosystem in India. During this climate-focused development, all the foreign players find a better visionary in Adani than any other business leaders of India. No other business leaders in India are supporting the cross-linked business model by which all businesses are backed up with assured scope for making money and scale it up further globally. Allegation 4. Price-to-earning ratio is higher for all Adani stocks, which leads to massive run-up in share prices. The price-to-earnings ratio of all Adani Group companies is higher in comparison to their competitors in their respective sectors. Investors are believing in the visionary chairman of Adani Group, who leads the group with well-structured business models integrated with long-term investment plans, the assured scope for profitability, and cross-sectoral business expansions. Look at the chart for information on the investments in Adani Group of companies. Allegation 5. Adani is benefiting from Make in India, production-linked incentive scheme, domestic manufacturing and nationalistic sentiments growing up in the country. In 1991, LPG scheme was launched by the then Finance Minister, Mr. Manmohan Singh. In the same way, the Government of India now has launched such schemes to provide benefits through development and innovation of products, services, and increasing the employment rate by industrial growth. Adani is doing what Tata, Birla, and Dhirubhai Ambani did during the 1900s. So Gautam Adani needs to be celebrated for taking India to next era.